Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Hydro4SE Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, and right from the start, we're kicking things off with an unboxing to show you exactly what you get inside. In the box, you'll find the Hydro4SE vacuum unit, the AC power supply, and of course, the user manual and warranty information. Setup is actually super simple. Once everything's out of the box, just connect the cord from the vacuum to the power supply, then plug the power supply into your outlet. Now, while the vacuum does come with a long cord, I'd recommend using an extension cord if your pool is particularly large or the outlet isn't nearby, just to give yourself a little more flexibility. Once you're plugged in, just flip the switch and select your cleaning mode. You got options for floor only, walls only, or the intelligent S-Path mode, which handles the entire pool efficiently. There's also a special Ultra Clean mode, but you'll need to download the Poolmate app to activate that one. Don't worry, we'll walk you through that app setup a little later in the video. Now that we're all set up, let's see this thing in action and break down what makes the Hydro4SE such a standout in the world of pool vacuums. We're diving into the future of pool maintenance with the Hydro4SE Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, and let me tell you, this little guy is a game changer. The Hydro4SE is designed to redefine your pool cleaning routine. Whether you've got an in-ground or above-ground pool, this robot handles it all with zero hassle. At its core is an intelligent S-Path system and 4 cleaning modes: automatic, floor, walls, and ultra clean. From casual daily cleanups to deep scrubs after winter, the Hydro4SE adapts to your pool's needs. To make things a little more challenging for the vacuum, I actually went ahead and grabbed some dirt, just regular soil, and tossed it straight into the pool. I really wanted to see how well it could handle a mess that wasn't already there from natural buildup. And spoiler alert, it handled it like a champ. With a powerful 150W dual centrifugal pump, Ultra Clean mode cranks the suction up to 85 gallons per minute. Perfect for tackling tough stains or neglected pools. Think of it as spring cleaning, but for your pool. The 4.1-liter filter basket catches everything, from leaves to pet hair, thanks to 180-micron ultrafine filtration. Let's take a moment to look at the Poolmate app and its functionality. First, you'll need to download the app called Poolmate. Then, make sure your robot is powered on. In the app, select your robot model and tap Connect. Once connected, you'll find that the app layout is user-friendly and intuitive. You can activate Ultra Clean mode with a single tap and choose different settings based on the shape or style of your pool. Important! To connect the app to the robot, the unit must be outside the water. The app cannot connect to or control the robot while it is submerged. Once you're done making your selections in the app, simply place the robot into the pool and it will begin cleaning based on the settings you've chosen. And after that full cleaning cycle, we took a look at the filter and you could actually see the difference. It picked up not only the usual debris, but a good amount of that added dirt too. It's a solid testament to how effective this vacuum really is. Double silicone roller brushes give your pool floor and walls a thorough scrubbing, so the water stays fresh and crystal clear. Got a big pool? No problem. The 40-foot buoyancy cable lets the Hydro4SE clean up to 1,614 square feet and dive up to 10 feet deep without missing a beat. When it's done, the Hydro4SE smartly parks itself at the edge of your pool for easy retrieval. No more fishing it out, no soak sleeves, just grab and go. Control is super easy. You can start cleaning with a button press, or take it up a notch using the Poolmate app. Select cleaning modes, including Ultra Clean, right from your phone. Just note, no remote scheduling or cloud sync yet, and Bluetooth only works above water. Whether it's cannonballs, pool parties, or lazy summer days, the Hydro4SE keeps your water sparkling, so your family can focus on the fun, not the cleanup. The Hydro4SE Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is powerful, smart, and designed to make pool ownership effortless. If you're ready to upgrade your summer and ditch the dirty work, this is the pool robot for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to check in the video description all purchase details about this amazing machine. See you on the next video and enjoy life.